Let's make some pumpkin and leaf cutouts tonight. September, I am all in with fall, and we have some great cutouts that we are going to chalk on. These are all available from my site, and we're going to change them into works of art. Let's start with this big guy. We are going to do actually an ombre. I've got a bright orange, a rust color, and a yellow. It'll look a little bit like candy corn, but you know, candy corn actually has the white. But we're going to do 3 colors. So I did a little yellow at the top. I'm going to do this bright orange in the middle and get that spread across. I'm gonna make it a little bit bigger section here, and then we'll do this dark at the bottom. Now, I haven't scraped it super thin where they meet, so that I'll have just a little bit extra for my fingers. But the best way to get this nice ombre effect is to just blend with your fingers. Now I'm gonna use this finger for the yellow and orange. All right, pull that back, and oh my goodness, I love it. Super cute. Let's do this leaf, and it fits perfectly. This just has all these words. We'll do somewhat of an ombre, but instead of being straight across, it's going to be more of putting some green. I'm just going to put some green in the center. We're going to put some dabs of the rust around, and then we'll put some yellow down. And then once again, I'm going to take my finger and blend it all. Now, you want to make sure that you don't contaminate your squeegee by getting another color on it and then putting it back in the jar. You can totally just use your fingers on this, and I'm not even going to separate. Now, what a good idea is to go ahead and scrape it thin. Let's do the reveal. Oh, how beautiful. Just do this in the one color. I think the pattern is enough to just wow everybody. That's so cool. Just easy as that to put the design down. That is super cool. I love that. For this one, we're going to just do brown. I always like to put my fingers down and start in the center and go outward when it's a cutout. And then the chalk paste that you have on there actually helps, almost like helps hold it down. And then just gently scrape across the excess to put back in your jar, because you don't need it to be covered. You just need that thin coating. And there's our cute little acorn. How fun is that? I love it. So simple and so cute. We're going to leave the bottom part like that, but I'm going to actually paint the top part. So this is still wet, the chalk paste, so it's blending nicely. And I'm just going to take that around there, and then we'll add a little bit more paint, and then it's going to look even more authentic as an acorn. So you can paint with the chalk paste, and that is going to make it so much cuter. I like that a lot. Let's make this one just all rust color, except for the stem, and we'll add some green up there. So I'm scraping the chalk paste across, but I'm coming down and stopping at the stem, scraping it thin, and then we'll take and we'll go upward from there for the green, and we can even blend that a little. And there we have a cute polka dot pumpkin. Let's make this one our new henna pumpkin design. On this one, we're going to do an ombre effect going outward, because I think that will look super cool with the henna design. I put the dark orange in the center, And now we'll go out from there and we'll put the light orange once I get it around, and then we'll put dark again. This will go out. The only limit to the pumpkins you can make is your imagination. And then, just like on the other ones, we're going to blend with our finger around. And I think I need a little more of the light orange because I kind of want that to stay in that center circle where the actual henna design is. So I'm going to add a little bit more orange. I didn't have quite enough to blend. Oh, this is going to be so cool. It's like finger painting. Ooh, that turned out even cooler than I thought. Oh my goodness. I love them. Love, love, love them. You need to get yourself some pumpkins and some transfers and make yourself some holiday decor for the fall.